Never bake a flop cake again. Learn how to use this oven thermometer to nail the perfect temperature in your own OTG so that every single time you get consistent baked products from your own OTG. Hi guys, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome back to my channel. If you have ever struggled with the temperature accuracy in your OTG, this video is a game changer for you. Because in this video, we will dive deeper into the oven temperature, oven thermometer, how to use it and how you can get consistently beautifully textured products from your own OTG. So let's get started. So let us start understanding why oven thermometers matter a lot. Right? You have to remember one thing, your OTG temperature or your oven temperature may vary. Whatever temperature you have set on your panel, that may or may not be the case inside your OTG. For example, if I'm baking a cake at 160 degrees, there is a high possibility that inside temperature of my OTG is either more than 160 degrees or less than 160 degrees as well. Okay. And in order to find out at what temperature exactly my cake is baking at, oven thermometer is going to help me a lot. So do stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you how do I actually set this inside my OTG and how I can accurately read the temperature in my OTG. So why oven thermometer matters a lot? Because oven thermometer आपको अपने OTG का correct temperature बताता है. ठीक है? So our next point is proper placement of oven thermometer. Oven thermometer should be placed inside your OTG to catch the exact temperature inside your OTG. Okay, so try avoid using the oven thermometer very close to the oven wall. ठीक है, आप बीच में रख सकते हो या आप तो oven के wall से थोड़ा सा side में रख सकते हो. Don't worry, this particular oven thermometer can withstand that high temperature inside your OTG. इसका बॉडी जो है वो इस तरीके से बनाया गया है कि कितना भी हाई टेम्परेचर होने दो, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू डैमेज दिस oven thermometer. Okay, having said that, please invest in good oven thermometer. If you want which oven thermometer I use for my baking recipes, I'm giving you the link in the description box below so that you can purchase the same one because I have been using this since many years. Right? I don't remove it from my OTG. अभी मुझे सिर्फ आपको दिखाना था, इसके लिए I have removed it from my OTG. But whether I'm doing preheating, whether I'm baking my cake, oven thermometer मेरा हमेशा OTG के अंदर रहता है. Okay, so this is how you can place it inside your OTG. So do stay till the end because I will be showing you how I'm using this inside my OTG. Now let's move to the next point where I will be explaining you how to read the temperature on this particular oven thermometer. So right now as you can see it is at 0. ठीक है, so जब भी आप अपना oven preheat कर रहे हो, exactly at that point of time you are supposed to keep this inside. So जैसे ही आपने अपना oven preheat करने के लिए रख दिया है, exactly at that point of time आप ये जो oven thermometer है वो आप अपने OTG के अंदर रख दीजिए. ठीक है, suppose you have set a temperature of 180 degrees and you have set the timer as 10 minutes. What does that mean? कि आपका जो OTG है वो अगले 10 minutes में 180 डिग्री तक पहुंचना चाहिए. That is the actual result that you are expecting from your OTG. When you place this oven thermometer inside your OTG, what happens is that this will start reading the temperature inside your OTG. Meaning, in next 10 minutes, this 0 will actually start showing 180 degrees temperature on your this particular oven thermometer panel. ठीक है? Now for some reason, if it is showing more temperature, instead of 180 degrees, if it is showing 200 degrees Celsius temperature, or whether it is showing 160 degrees temperature, that means there is 20 degrees more or less temperature inside your OTG. Okay, so let's take an example. If the oven thermometer is showing 200 degrees Celsius, your panel temperature is 180 degrees, right? So which means your cakes are baking at 20 degrees more as compared to the panel temperature. So that is my next point, which is nothing but adjusting the oven temperature. Now that you have realized inside your OTG, your oven temperature is actually 20 degrees more, what you can do is, suppose if the recipe says कि आपको अपना केक जो है वो 160 degrees पे बेक करना है. Right? So what you can do is in your panel temperature, you can actually set 140 degrees temperature. Why? Because inside temperature of your OTG is actually more, right? It is actually 20 degrees more. So when you set that panel temperature of 140 degrees, आपका inside temperature of your OTG is going to be 160 degrees. Which means it is matching the recipe that is given to you, right? This is how you can adjust your oven temperature just by making a good use of your oven thermometer. Say for example, your oven temperature is less. For example, the panel temperature shows 180 degrees, but this temperature shows 150 degrees, meaning your cakes are baking at a lesser temperature. Inside temperature of your cake is actually 150 degrees. So in this case, suppose if someone tells you, if the recipe says that you bake your cakes at 170 degrees, what you need to do is you need to adjust the panel temperature. 170 degrees plus 30, because you have a 30 degrees lesser temperature in your OTG, you are actually going to place the panel temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. So आपका panel temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, but inside your OTG, the cake is actually baking at exact 170 degrees. So guys, I hope you have understood with these two examples how to actually place this inside your OTG, how to read the temperature, and how to actually adjust the oven temperature so that you bake your cakes at an optimum temperature. So last but not the least, by using oven thermometer, you will get consistency in your baking. So whether you are baking your sponges, whether you are baking your cookies, your brownies, your cheesecakes, right? You should be able to bake your cakes, whichever recipe you are trying, at an optimum temperature, at the desired temperature, just by doing this particular adjustment, just by using this beautiful tool inside your oven, right? So I hope you have got these tips and tricks. Going ahead, you will be able to adjust your oven temperature so that your cakes are baking at perfect temperatures. Okay, so guys, I hope you have loved this particular video. If you have loved it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that every single time I upload such an informative video, you will get notified about it. And if you are someone who wants to know how you can launch your home bakery business in just 30 days, even if you are a beginner or even if you are a fresher, well, do join my live webinar, because I will tell you the exact 6 steps using which you will be able to launch your home bakery business, your profitable home bakery business in just 30 days. Okay, so hope to see you inside the webinar, and thank you so much for watching this video. Now let us go ahead and see how I place this inside my OTG and how I am able to read the exact temperature in my oven.